on 9th July by the County Security and Intelligence Committee with all the candidates to discuss security. This meeting was postponed indefinitely. We want to know why. Again, 80% of all police officers from Olokalou and Nyandarua have been transferred out of the county and new ones brought. Why? Again, we want to find out why has IEBC decided to shut down the voters register before the Olokalou by-elections. Is it to facilitate people who are not registered to vote? We want the IEBC chair to clarify why. They are saying that they are doing some checkup, some checking and updating, but why specifically before Olokalou? So we are saying, Mr. Ethekon, before you threaten to postpone peaceful election, please do your job. Guarantee security. Guarantee fairness. Don't be a crybaby. You are in charge. And the people of Kenya are asking a question. If IEBC